Hi guys, how you all doing? It's a new trading week already, and then the way we did every time, we come out here to look at what we want to do for the week, our weekly outlook, weekly analysis, our weekly bias, so we can actually know what we are looking at throughout the week. Otherwise, something else changes, probably the structure, the trend, and the rest of them. So yeah, last week was good. I was very busy last week. Congratulations to me. I became an uncle again, but that was why I was busy majorly. I wasn't really able to send out a lot of trades. I marked up some, I missed some, but that's all right. The market is always there. So right now we are looking to, look at the buyers for the week. So first thing we do is our DXY as always. So DXY on the week, right now, we have an uptrend bias, right? But when we have the uptrend bias, there's something I always look at. I told you guys, it broke this trend already. If you look at it from here on the weekly bias, it broke this particular structure rather. So if you look at this, I'll tag this break of structure. I'll tag it break of structure. Okay. Yes. So it has broken the structure, and then I want to see I want to see price come to at least 70 or 80% of this particular breaker, and then sorry, 70% of this this new trend is forming, so we can actually go for the trade. So now I pull out my Fibonacci tool as always, and then I go down this way, and then my normal place. I told you I love in between these zones. Here, this is where I want to see the market come to minimum. So general trend is what uptrend, but right now I have a short-term downtrend bias, right? So let me go down to the 1 day. So here's 1 day. Let's look at what 1 day has for us. Still the same, uptrend. This is what we have here, right? And then I said I want to see it come to this level. So now this is fine. If you look at it, gradually it has been coming down. I called for a bearish DXY since about, I think, 3 weeks ago, thereabouts, and then it's been bearish. So now look at this, right? I wanted to see it feel this imbalance, but it didn't come here, and then later went ahead to break this structure. So now I would want it to retrace to this extent, come to this particular extent here, come in. I'll get a better entry on 4 hours or 1 hour, right? But I want it to at least push back to this stage, and then, further come down to where I want it to, and then we move back up. This is the general plan I have on DXY. But let me go down to 4 hours. So we'll actually just mark up 4 hours, and then we'll continue our other markups. So yeah, this is what I drew. I said I want it to come to at least this place. So now look at it. It broke structure. Like I always tell you, structure is my friend. I always like trade with the structure. I move with the structure. I would go with the structure 100%. I know 80% out of 100% structure will always be right. So what I want to see this thing do, DXY, I want it to at least come to this level here, right? There's a lot of imbalance, but I think I'll prefer to see it come to this level here. So when it comes to this level, I can go ahead and delete this guy because I already got what I wanted. So I want to see it come to this extent here, then further continue the bearish movement to this stage. So this is what I want to see on DXY. This is my bias for DXY for the week. So you can actually take a screenshot if you want to. That's fine. You can take a screenshot, and then okay. So let's go to our pairs. Let me see AED card. So on AED card, we had this sweet trade last week, but now it was up. It was a downtrend because it broke this particular trend, and then we saw this guy pushed upward to actually make it. It broke the structure. So I feel like we are changing trend already. So I'll be calm with this, but I want to feel this imbalance here and actually get to this level. We have this other block here. So I want to feel this place. I want to feel this place, and then have about this is just for for the weekly analysis. When I want to take this trade, I'll further mark up and see where to get my entry. So I want to see something like this to this high, this previous high. So this would be like a good 1.1 to 5.73. So this is what I think on AED card. AED I don't really trade this guy. AED JPY, AED NZD, AED USD, Bitcoin. I just want Bitcoin to be for now. Card JPY. Okay, we missed this, and then I'm really not happy yet. But there's an imbalance here that I actually want to, like, peak and then keep going down. Germany 30, still no structure, but fully bullish at the moment. Euro AUD. Okay, I think Euro AUD. Okay, this is DXY. Euro AUD. I don't like the structure. Euro card. This was the guy that kicked us. SL. No structure yet. Euro CHF. I don't like it. Euro GBP. Euro JPY. This should have been a nice trade if that we saw it. This is a very good imbalance level. See, it took it and then went down. Yeah, that's a good trade. So you missed it. You cannot always see everything. Yeah, that's the main thing about the market. Euro NZD, I really don't like it. Euro USD, this is forming like a double top, and then it can come and pick this other block and then shoot back up. Yeah, I said DXY would go up a bit. So DXY and Euro USD, they are like, I want this one to come up here. Euro USD, I want to see it actually come down, pick this guy up, and then, shoot for the sky. So that's what I have on Euro USD, something like this. So Euro USD and DXY, they are what and opposite most times. This, I would hold on this. I don't really trade GBP card. GJ has not really been a good boy, so I would still let him be rather. I use female, but because it has not been a good pair, so I'll use it has not been a good boy. GU. Same structure like EU. GU has been obedient right from here, see here it never came down, so I feel like we might still see it push down to this level. Probably the imbalance or test the other block, we'll get to further look at our markup. So it's still bullish. NZD card, NZD JPY. I don't really like the structure, but with what I can see here, a bearish, but it never came up to fill this, so I really don't like the structure. NU, I don't like the structure too. I want to see a very nice break, and then you know what to do next. This looks like it broke well, and then USD JPY, we can actually see visit this. USD JPY has not really been obeying. I'll show you why I said so. Look at it from here. I wanted to see it come up here. It never did. I wanted to see it get up here. It never did. So I hope it's just going to get here. Gold has just been golden. I don't know. I'll just hold on gold too until next week, until market open. So guys, I really don't have much right now. This is all I have for the week, and I hope this is going to help someone. Normally and definitely the way we do it, I always send my markup whenever I have clear entries, and if I don't, I'll just not trade for the week if I don't have all through the week. Like I always say, I prefer to be defensive with my money than jump on any type of analysis or any type of trade. So yeah, guys, take care of yourself. It's a new week. You guys should just trade with care. You don't have to jump on every pair you see, right? Just make sure you check your confirmation checklist. If it doesn't align with it, I advise you, I just, stay out of the trade and all. So take care of yourself, guys. Do have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.